If the tangent of an angle in a right triangle is 0.75, what can you conclude about the relationship between the lengths of the sides? So let's go back to geometry and remind ourselves of SOHCAHTOA. TOA means that the tangent of an angle equals the opposite side over the adjacent side. Now, this has to do with right triangle trigonometry, okay? So it also tells us that the tangent of an angle is 0.75. So let me rewrite this out as 0.75 over 1 equals opposite over adjacent. By writing it out this way, it lets me do a little crisscross applesauce and do a little bit of cross multiplication where I can say 1 times the opposite equals 1 times the opposite, which is just the opposite. That's going to equal 0.75 times the adjacent. Now, by writing it out this way, we can now say a phrase like, I don't know, the opposite side is 0.75 times the adjacent side. The opposite side is 0.75 times the adjacent side. The answer is A. Now, I know there's other ways that we could do this, probably a simpler way, but, this is me just breaking it down and, I don't know, making it simple in my little mind.